Stocks rebounding off the lows of the day, with the Dow closing near session highs. Here to talk about the market and expand on some insights from his new Investing Club newsletter is the one and only Jim Cramer. Jim, great to have you as always. And what I love particularly about, well, today there's obviously two detailed notes you sent out, the morning one and an update this afternoon with two stock picks. But before we get to the stock picks, you preface it with outlining what it means to be best in class to you and why that's important.
Best in breed.
Best in breed.
Absolutely.
Correct. I did read it. I just didn't look down at my notes,
well,
obviously.
Look, I've got to tell you guys,
that.
When you look at a company like Nucor, which is best in breed, and it gets downgraded today by Goldman, down 25 points from where it had gotten, you say to yourself, now, what an opportunity. Here's the best in class, best in breed in the steel business. They've got the best balance sheet. They've returned a lot of capital to shareholders over time. This has been an amazing cycle. There's no reason to think that the cycle is going to be over. So what a chance to pick it up. And what I try to highlight is that how hard it is to go for an individual to go in and out and in and out. That kind of downgrade, I thought, was something for hedge funds. I'm trying to offer a product that is not for hedge funds, not for funds that need to try to beat the S&P over the next minute, but for people at home who are trying to make money over the long term. And you don't get to buy Nucor this low very often.
So that's one best in breed that you're recommending this afternoon. What was the other one, Jim?
It's Costco. And the reason I talk about Costco is because that's the other side. How do you sell a best in breed? This company is now, it has just gone up gigantically from when we first bought it. And the answer is don't sell it. Own it for the long term. The company just keeps doing better and better and better. That last conference call was just absolutely terrific. The numbers are amazing. They're going to be opening a bunch of stores in China that I think are going to be continually great. Rich Galanti, the CFO, laid out a depiction of what's going to happen in the next couple of years. You can't just flit in and out. You can't sell it at $440. The idea of buying back at $420 if you're a home gamer, if you're someone who is trying to figure out the philosophy of what I do, it's not to trade. It's to own. And so even though Costco's up a great deal, I fear missing the next 100 points more than I fear getting hit by a 100-point decline.